on my bike again today. A little bit different conditions. Last night it got cold into the 50s, low 50s. It's supposed to get up to like 70 today around 3. So I'm going to go out. I did pretty well on a cold day last year. So I'm going to be trying to look for them underneath stuff. Any place that they can hide, get out of the cold, insulate themselves. So let's get at it. Just walked up on this color and I saw it, and it's a corn snake out on the crawl. So nice. Oh, cool. Oh, he sees me. Here's a corn snake. Just found such a beautiful one. So nice. Nice colors. Looks in good shape. Very calm. That's why they make good pets. Very nice. Pine woods snake. Pretty good size one. Nice. Okay, I'm out on my bike again this week. It's Friday, and I'm gonna see if I can find some Scarlet Kings today. Didn't find any last trip, so hopefully this time. So let's get at it. It's like a dinosaur vertebrae. That's cool. It's just a palm. It's down. So I finally got myself a new bike. This is a single speed I picked up on sale. It's everything I want. I've used single speed because it's just simpler. I don't have to worry about any problems out if I'm way out in the woods. And I don't do hard riding, so I just need it to get me to my spots. So it's an excellent bike, very simple, easy to maintain. And my other bike I bought back in 2001, and I converted it to a single speed for this simple reason. I wanted simplicity, and my son really likes it so much I gave it to him. That's why I got this one. So he's using that one now. But anyway, that's what I use. There's a corn snake I just found. What a beauty. They're so nice in this area in Central Florida. Beautiful species. Coloration. Outstanding. Yep. So I just walked up on this. Pretty good sized snake. But looking at the ribs, wow. Well, it was a big cotton or diamondback. I'm not seeing the head though. That's kind of cool. Wow. Pretty neat. Well, here's my second corn snake today. Just got. They'll look pretty much like this out here. Pretty nice. So it looks like he might be starting to go into shed. See the milkiness on his checkerboard Ventor. Nice. It's gonna be nice when it sheds, and it looks nice already. Oh, let this guy go. Oh. Nice Scarlet King. Nice colors. Adult. And looks like it's got an old probably in it, or skink. It's a good find for today. It's what I look for this time of year when I can't find Simus. I look for other stuff. This is a beauty. Wow. These guys are magnificent. But they're common in Florida. It's hard to find. Very secretive. Well, here's my second one today. I'm in a good zone, I guess. Once you find one, you usually find more in the area. Ooh, this one's way more feisty. Doesn't have a meal in him. This one I think looked a little cooler, but it's pretty good. 2 Scarlet Kings and a corn red rat snake today. Nice. Well, that was pretty good today. 2 Scarlet Kings, 2 corns. It was a lot better than last Tuesday. That's it for this week for me. May do a trip tomorrow, I'm not sure. So we'll see if I add that to this video or not. Anyway, stay tuned. So I'm back out today for one last time this week. Garrett and John wanted to come out, so we're gonna hike around, bike around, see what we can find. That's a beautiful one.
Yeah, it is.
Damn it.
That was an... Dude.
Well,
That was easy. Let's go home.
nice one.
Okay, we're done.
Your first Scarlet King.
Yes. You're ready. Recording.
Okay. Nice. Good spot, Garrett. It's a male.
Yep.
Here, hold it.
Can we hold it?
I'm gonna get a picture too.
Here.
Don't screw with
You see it? Oh, it has like little babies there. I'm gonna put the rock.
Green and old, which is brown right now.
It's big corn.
It is a corn?
Yeah, you can see there's patterns.
Yeah. They're not gonna be a Scarlet King that big.
No, here's the head.
Got another one.
You texted him that?
No, he should have stayed for look, it's got a meal in it too.
Yep.
Yep, this time of year. Nice Scarlet King. Wow.
Got another.
You told him?
Yeah.
Another nice big one. Wow, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Mmm. And on a good note, 2 Scarlet Kings and a box turtle in a couple hours. So I'm pretty happy with that. Garrett came out with me today and John had a good day. It's a lot of fun. So let's see where I'm gonna go next. It's gonna get cold this week, so I don't know. May not be doing too much.